First, scrambled sentences. You are given a series of words that you must put into a sentence and then answer questions about the corrected sentence. Here is an example. Prioritizing. You are given a task and a scenario, and you must decide if the task is urgent or important. You are working at the International Arrivals Terminal at Pearson International Airport. A passenger arrives from a country known to have recent outbreaks of a contagious disease. The traveler appears visibly unwell, sweating and coughing. How would you categorize this situation? This is urgent and important. This action is classified as urgent and important because the symptoms suggest a potential public health risk that requires immediate attention to prevent the possible spread of a contagious disease. Next, client service. You are given a workplace scenario where you must exercise judgment and the best way to handle the situation. Here is the scenario. During a team meeting, your colleague interrupts you while you are presenting an idea and starts discussing a different topic. How should you handle this situation? Politely interjecting and asking to finish your point demonstrates both assertiveness and professionalism. It respects both your colleague's input and the meeting's purpose without escalating the situation, which fosters a collaborative environment. Next, comparing lists, analogies, and sequences. First, lists. You are given two lists of codes that are slightly different.
Thanks for watching. Visit us online at www.test-preparation.ca.